towards diabetes friendly food, and what I'm going to make for you today is a lovely dip. You can have them with beetroot chips. Come, let's start now. For the dip, we're going to be using about 1 cup of Greek yogurt or hung curd. You can use either or. To that, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder. You could also add freshly finely chopped garlic instead of the garlic powder. It gives a nice and like a chewy taste, but I still prefer having like a very smooth dip. To this now, we'll add a little bit of olive oil. It'll give it a nice smooth finish. Then I'm going to squeeze half a lemon into it. Now I'm going to give it a nice mix and then I'll start whisking it. Now I'm going to transfer it into a little bowl. Then I'm going to have it with my favorite flavors of the Beeto quinoa chips.